Hello guys, in this section we are doing calculus, so we are going to start with derivatives in different stages. Okay, derivatives. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to find the derivative. If you are given f of x is equal to x to the power b, okay guys, b is an exponent and the coefficient of x is 1. Okay, when you find the derivative, what you do, you have f prime, you call it f prime of x. When you determine the derivative, you are going to multiply the exponent by the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 1 and the exponent of x is b. So b times 1 is b. Okay, and then on that exponent we are going to subtract minus 1. That's the rule of the derivative. So when you derive, you follow this rule. You multiply the exponent of x by the coefficient of x. B times 1, it's b, and on that b you have to subtract 1. Okay, that's the rule of the derivative. Let's say you are given f of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Okay, if you are deriving, we have to see f prime of x, that is the derivative of f of x. Okay, let's follow that rule. 3 times a is 3a, and then on that 3 you subtract 1 and you get 2. Okay, 2 times b is 2b. 2 minus 1, it's 1. Okay, what is the exponent of x here? The exponent of x here is 1. 1 times c, it's c. On that exponent you subtract 1. 1 minus 1, it's 0. X to the power 0 is 1. 1 times c, it's c. Okay, and d, we call d a constant. We call d a constant, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So meaning the derivative of f of x is 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. So that is our final answer. Okay, we are going to start from stage 1. Let's call this stage 1. Okay, stage 1. Find f prime of x. Number 1, if you are given f of x is equal to minus x cubed plus 5x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay, let's find the derivative of f of x here. Okay, we have to follow the rule of differentiation, guys, please. Okay, 3 times negative 1, it's negative 3. 3 minus 1, it's 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 minus 1, it's 1. Okay, here the exponent of x here is 1. 1 times negative 4, it's negative 4. 1 minus 1, it's 0. X to the power 0, it's 1. 1 times negative 4, it's negative 4. And then we have positive 1 here. So positive 1 is a constant, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So this is the final answer. Okay, number 2, if you are given f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x squared plus x cubed minus 3x. Okay, let's find the derivative of f of x here. Okay, f prime of x. Okay, 1 is the constant. The derivative of a constant is 0. Okay, here we have negative 2x squared. So we have to follow the rule of differentiation. Positive 2 times negative 2, it's negative 4. And then you subtract 1 from that 2. So we have negative 4x. Okay, positive 3 times 1, it's positive 3. Minus 1 is 3x squared. Okay, here we have negative 3x. What is the exponent of x here? Is 1. Positive 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 1 minus 1, it's 0. Any number to the power 0, it's 1. So this is x to the power 0. X to the power 0 is 1. 1 times negative 3, it's negative 3. So this is our final answer. Okay. Number 3. We are given f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus x plus x squared minus 4. Okay, we need to find the derivative of f of x here. 3 times 2, 6. 3 minus 1, it's 2. 1 times negative 1, it's negative 1. 1 minus 1, it's 0. Any number to the power 0, it's 1. So x to the power 0, it's 1. 1 times negative 1, it's negative 1. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1, it's 1. So we are left with 2x. Negative 4 is a constant. The derivative of a constant is 0. So this is the final answer.